Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok green goddess salad, so let's get started with the video. First we're going to prepare our vegetables. Begin by chopping half a head of cabbage. Then, dice 3 baby cucumbers. Chop 1 bunch of green onions. And 1 bunch of chives. You just need to chop enough to give you a 1/4 cup. When you finish preparing your vegetables, place them in a large bowl. Next we're going to make the dressing. In a blender add 1 shallot, 2 garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of basil leaves, 1 cup of spinach, the juice from 2 lemons, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some chives. Then blend everything together until smooth. Once you finish making your dressing, add it to your salad and mix everything together. Once everything is mixed together, you are all finished. You can eat the salad by itself or you can eat it with chips. I like to eat it with chips. And this is the finished result. This recipe is super quick and easy, and it's healthy. It also tastes really good, especially if you eat it with some tortilla chips. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, this is perfect for you. By the way, I'll have the original recipe down in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!